There's an epidemic, and it's spreading worldwide.
It's wrong!
It affects 81% of the SaaS population, and it's getting worse every year. Hi, I'm a knowledge-based nurse at Brainfish. We've seen a record number of crash-out cases lately. Product updates move fast, but documentation doesn't. By the time a new feature launches, your help articles are already outdated. Even your own team can't find the right info fast enough to understand how it works. Every company swears they'll keep docs current, but the moment your product changes, boom, confusion, chaos, and crash out. Fortunately, there's finally a cure. Introducing Brainfish Knowledge Discovery, your daily dose of fresh, accurate knowledge. With Knowledge Discovery, your docs stay fresh automatically. Upload a video and Brainfish analyzes everything that exists, finds what's outdated, and creates and updates articles for you. No more manual audits, no more guessing what needs to be fixed, just a knowledge base that takes care of itself.
Side effects may include peace of mind, a sudden spike in self-service rates, becoming the knowledge base god, fewer Slack notifications, reduced caffeine dependency, unexpected bursts of joy, mild dancing, and a dangerous level of confidence in your documentation process. If happiness lasts more than 4 hours, please contact your customer success manager.
Stop knowledge base crash out before it spreads. Try Knowledge Discovery inside Brainfish. Get your dose today.